everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY solar panel from scratch. This is a fun and easy project that you can do at home with some basic tools and materials. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright, let's get started. To make a DIY solar panel, you will need the following items: 36 solar cells, a sheet of plywood, a sheet of plexiglass, some copper wires, a soldering iron, a multimeter A diode, a blocking diode, a charge controller, a battery. You can find most of these items online or at your local hardware store. The first step is to arrange the solar cells in a 6x6 grid on the plywood. You can use a pencil and a ruler to mark the positions of the cells. The next step is to solder the solar cells together. You need to connect the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell in each row. Then, you need to connect the rows together in series. You can use some copper wires and a soldering iron to do this. The third step is to measure the voltage and current of your solar panel. You can use a multimeter to do this. Connect the red probe to the positive end of your panel and the black probe to the negative end. Then, read the values on the screen. The fourth step is to attach a diode and a blocking diode to your panel. These devices prevent current from flowing back into your panel when it is not producing power. You can solder them to the ends of your panel. The fifth step is to connect your panel to a charge controller and a battery. These devices regulate the voltage and current from your panel to your battery. You can connect them using some more copper wires. The final step is to cover your panel with plexiglass. This protects your panel from dust, water, and impact. You can cut it to fit the size of your plywood and attach it with some screws or glue. And that's it! You have made your own DIY solar panel from scratch. You can now use it to power your devices, charge your batteries, or even reduce your electricity bill. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.